Hi, this is Steph and welcome back to my channel. So as promised, this video is going to be a bit more talkative than last week's. I do apologise, it's just been a very busy few months and sometimes it just gets a bit too much. But I'm back in the game now, ready to tackle this video, ready to tackle the next week upcoming. To start off with, I have wonderful news. I have officially started my master's degree, which is really, well, master's degree, there we go. Which is really exciting. I'll finally be able to develop the skills I want to develop, learn the software I want to learn, and all this other fun stuff. So keep your eyes peeled. I'll be putting processes on Instagram, possibly YouTube, on my Facebook, so do follow me, please. I said do. Sorry. Anyways, this video, it will be, again, very brief because I have 11% on my battery on my phone. By the way, glamorous life, all my videos are recorded on my phone, so that's nice. Do you want a little nugget of information? I record all my videos in my car in my local supermarket's car park, so I get funny looks all the time, but I don't care. So yeah, that to one side. Today I'm going to be talking about really quickly about my 2018 challenge. Now, if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you know that since the 1st of January this year, I've been drawing every single day, and it can either be a sketch, it can either be you know, a digital piece, it can be a traditional piece, and I've drawn every single day up to now. And it's been very difficult, and I'm going to be very honest with you, I would not recommend it. I'll explain the cons now, why I don't recommend it, but then I'll explain the pros when I finish the cons. So the first thing that I think has been the most difficult and the most difficult to stick to is actually the ability to draw every day, like the willpower to draw every single day. And that's really hard. Like, I've struggled so much, especially this summer being in full-time employment. I have struggled so much to draw every day after work. It's so tiring to think about going home and sitting down and drawing something, and it's been very difficult. And I expected it to get easier, but it just doesn't. As well, following along those lines, like the willpower and the tiredness that you feel after a very long day at work or at school or at uni and blah blah blah, the results are never that great. They're just never okay for you, and because you're tired, it doesn't work. It's just really difficult. It was really difficult as well to keep it fresh. I've alternated months. If you go check me out in Instagram, you'll see what I mean. I've alternated months, so January, February have been outfits. March, I believe, was animals. April was outfits again. Then I did plants, and then I did outfits again. So I've alternated it up to now. But even if I spiced it up, it's so very difficult. So, you know, it's hard to follow through. I'm sorry if I'm trailing off a little bit, but a car has just parked beside mine. I'm looking in the other direction, pretending I don't see them, but I know what they're doing. They are there and they are staring, so I'm just gonna ignore them until they leave. Sorry, a little interlude there. Okay, I think they're going. So that's basically the cons. It's just really difficult to find the willpower, and then when you do it, it just doesn't look right. But the pros of this project, we'll call it a project, is that every day I have posted something and every day I've made something, which is really interesting. Because if I go and look back at my January sketches, the differences between those and the ones I've done now are really quite big. Like, there's quite a lot of improvement, and I'm really pleased about that. So I don't suggest you do, but if you do undertake something along these lines, and if you do undertake a yearly drawing challenge, do be prepared, because it's very difficult, but the end results are quite cool, because like obviously I'm not happy with every single drawing I've put up there, and you can see that simply by looking at it. Like, some are really not very good, but I've posted them, so hey ho, they're out there. But the point of this challenge was just to draw every single day, and I think it's taught me so much discipline, which I didn't have. Oddly enough, now that I've started full-time work and, you know, all that jazz, it's given me so much discipline that I value. Like, draw every day, no excuses, you sit down and you sketch. And because I've done that, not only have I improved, but I feel better about the work I produce alongside that. Like, my real drawings, that one that I'm showing you now in this video, is so much better because of it. So I think it's been a really interesting challenge up to now. It's been very difficult, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been very, very difficult, but I think it's too late to back up, it's too late to back out. We have to carry on till December. Now, in regards to that, what do you guys think of me publishing a book, or perhaps making a video comprising all the drawings I did throughout the year? That'd be quite interesting, actually. I'm gonna draft that, see what I can do for it. I think that would be very exciting. I'm very interested to see. I'd be very interested to see what it turns out to be like. Yeah, so it has been very difficult. Another thing that sort of I follow but I don't. Sorry for stammering, but there's things like Mermaid and Inktober. I kind of want to do Inktober, and I think it'll be easier for me because obviously I've been drawing every day. But Mermaid was a bit... I didn't do Mermaid. I don't really follow Instagram trends, and I'm not really sure why. I just don't really have the patience for them. I don't know how to explain it, but I can't be bothered. I don't want to follow a tag. I want to do my own thing. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm sure Inktober will be a very big learning curve because I am pants at ink and inking. So we shall see how that goes. I'm not sure what prompts to do, but I'm 100% sure I'll find something. Yeah, so that's my thoughts for today. That's my topic. I think I've covered everything I want to cover. It's like I say, this challenge has been very interesting. It's been very interesting in good and bad ways. And if you do decide to undertake something along these lines for next year, do bear in mind that it will be very difficult. I'm struggling, but I feel like in December I will be so happy. I'll be just like, oh, this was so worth it. And then right now it's just a bit, you know, God, enough. It's the same tired old thing, and but it's fine. I'll carry on, see where it takes me, and hopefully we'll get somewhere with it. I don't know, make a video, publish a book. Publishing might be a bit expensive. Anyway, I'll think of something, and yeah, that's all I wanted to talk to you about for today. It was a bit rambly, I do apologise. I'll draft up what I want to talk about next week, but if you have any questions, if you want to chat to me, please, you know where to find me. DeviantArt, Instagram, Facebook. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me a shout. I love talking to people, and I'd love to hear what you guys think about my challenge, about my drawings. I need critique. Please critique me. That'd be fantastic. So yes, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Have a good week. Bye-bye.